we have a 2011 Jeep Wrangler that all keys are lost. We have one key in the ignition right now that we're going to program, and here's the second key that we're going to program. So right now we just attached the OBD. Let's do automatic selection. And we don't have any keys working the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and erase all the keys that were already programmed to the car as well, so no one can get into the car. I mean, they could get in because the doors will still have 2011 Jeep Wrangler. The doors are still going to have the same key, but they won't be able to... Let's turn the ignition off and then on. They won't be able to start the car. That's the password, and let's actually see if what type 2 is first. Okay, so we're just going to turn this on. This is not a Pep's car. This is just a regular bladed key. That's the first key programmed. Do we want to do another key? Yes. So we will take that key out and we will put our second key into the vehicle ignition and putting it onto the on position and hit OK. And this key actually has a remote start on the key. The parts in here are all original OEM, but just the shell is aftermarket. Nope, that's all the keys we want. Alright, that's it. We're all done. So 2011 Jeep Wrangler, and as you can see, works the car as you heard it. And this is our second key. As you can see, boom, that's one. Oh. 1, 2, and we'll see. You can start the car just like that with the remote start, and let's hit it again to turn it off and test it out as well. Car starts, no problem. 2011 Jeep Wrangler, all keys lost, 2 keys programmed, just like that. Give us a call, give us a message, like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.